Are you aware that training videos can revolutionize employee performance within organizations? They're more effective than you might think. Visual learning is a powerful method, with 70% of employees reporting enhanced job performance through video training methods. From onboarding to skill enhancement, training videos serve as a scalable and cost-effective solution for modern organizations. Creating high-quality training content doesn't have to be daunting. Simple steps can lead to professional results. Follow these 6 key steps to create engaging training videos, ensuring relevance and accessibility for every learner. Training videos save time by eliminating repetitive in-person sessions while maintaining consistent quality across learners. Recap often, and your workforce can revisit these videos, creating a lasting resource for ongoing learning. Why choose video training, you ask? Studies reveal that 67% of employees process information faster via visual instructions. Consider this: employees are significantly more likely to watch a tutorial than to read manuals or documents. Flexibility is key. On-demand training allows employees to learn at their own pace, fostering a supportive environment. Global teams benefit immensely, getting the knowledge they need without the pressures of time constraints and scheduling. By accessing training videos anytime, employees can effortlessly learn company policies without HR's repetitive sessions. In 2023, companies spent a staggering $102 billion on training costs, highlighting the need for more efficient solutions. Investing in video training is a smart move, produced once and reused for multiple employees, maximizing ROI. Training videos simplify knowledge retention, leading to tangible improvements in employee performance. When combined with job aids, videos become the foundation for long-term success in employee workflows. But there's more: videos engage viewers actively, making complex information easier to understand and remember. Training videos don't just serve internal purposes, they can also showcase your company's expertise to an external audience. Highlighting your brand's credibility can attract partnerships and customers alike, amplifying the impact of your training videos. Digital transformation can't succeed without effective training. Videos offer seamless integration with new technologies. Wondering how to create effective training videos? Let's break it down with 6 essential steps. Step 1. Define clear goals. What do you want your training video to achieve for its viewers? Step 2 involves choosing the right type of training video. There are various formats to consider for optimum engagement. Step 3 will have you recording your video. Tools like Trupeer's screen recorder make this process straightforward. Transforming recordings is crucial. AI can enhance your scripts, making them polished and professional for the best outcomes. AI voiceovers can bring your video to life, syncing seamlessly with your content for a smooth viewer experience. Step 5 is about exporting your video. File formats like MP4 or PDF guides ensure easy accessibility. Presentation styles matter. Consider options like animated, live action, or interactive videos to increase viewer engagement. Interactive videos allow learners to control their training experience, significantly boosting retention through gamification. Trupeer.ai is a fantastic platform for creating engaging training videos effortlessly. It's user-friendly and effective. Camtasia and Loom also offer unique features, allowing creators to produce professional and interactive training content. Choose the right tools, and you can make training videos, simplify learning and enhance knowledge transfer across your organization.